Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see all comments you made on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you're an active Instagram user, you've probably left countless amount of Instagram comments on others' account. After a while, you may be wondering what comments you've made and if there's an easy way to view them. Now, to see your comments, all of your comments you've made on Instagram, you can open your Instagram apps, of course. Tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on your activity. You can see there's an option, comments. Tap on comments. So you can see all of your comments you've made on Instagram in this feature. You can see, and you can also choose the comment. Maybe you want to delete the comment. You can choose the comment and just hold on the comment and tap on delete. So that is how to see all of comments you've made on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!